guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Locs. If you are new, hi, hello, welcome to my kind of YouTube universe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If and when you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So today I'm going to give you my nightly routine on how I protect my hair, especially for my braid outs and my twist out, because you know they tend to lose definition quicker than a wash and go. I wanted to bring this video to you guys when my hair got a little bit, stale, because I did my hair Monday, Tuesday, and today is Saturday. So it got time to, to get stale, because I want to show you guys that my method actually works. So the first thing you want to do is to take out all pins and any type of shenanigans or accessories that you have in your hair, because sometimes I tend to pin down my bang, but I don't have it. Okay, so if I take out all of that, my next thing to do is to somewhat set my edges the night before, or frame them so that it's easier to mold it, rather, so it's easier the next day. But my edges are still somewhat laid, so I won't be doing that tonight, so I'll skip that step. But if you haven't and you think it will work for you, then that's the next step. As I said, I did do this 3-strand twist Monday, Tuesday. So if you guys haven't watched that video already, I will definitely link it in the archive so you guys can check it out when this is finished. But yeah, this is my hair, and it is currently 3 to 4 days old, maybe 5. Who knows? Who's counting? I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, back to sectioning off the front, right? Section off the front, because it is a side part and not a center part. Just for now, this is temporary. Then you go in again, section off. Okay, so we have a section. So the thing that I do that I haven't seen anybody else doing, and it works great, is I go in like this, separate it into two, somewhat even, don't have to, and I twist. And I'm telling you, this keeps your hair more than the banding, more than everything. It keeps the moisture in, and when you wake up, definition is on point. So I'm telling you, which is weird. I don't detangle it, I don't put any product on it, I just twist it up. A nice twist. And that is what I did to my entire hair, and I'm telling you guys, it works great. The definition will be on point tomorrow. I won't lose any definition. Me twisting it like that won't cost me anything. It more enhance my curls. And I will show you guys tomorrow morning, because I will be taking this down with you guys to show you that my method actually works. So I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my head, and you guys are just gonna watch. Okay, so we reach the front, and with the front I tend to do the twist smaller, and I tend to do the twist in the way that I want my hair to fall. Okay, so if I want it to come into my face, I won't plait it going back, I won't plait it to the side, I plait all of them coming to my face. Right, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is it. Split this in two, and then we twist. Okay, so we have our ear twisted up, and I want to tell you guys that this took me roughly 3 minutes to put them in, so you don't need no long length of time. If you're lazy, this is perfect. So yeah, when I have this, I take a big bobby pin. You can take a small bobby pin, or you can take no bobby pin. If your hair falls naturally, you don't need it, but I usually take the bobby pin, pin it down to give it some kind of a stretch in the night, and then I use the next bobby pin, which is a regular one, and just pin this out of my face. I know we're looking crazy, but do you sleep with somebody? I don't, so I don't care. And then I'm gonna take my bonnet. Usually I take either this bonnet. This one is kind of getting old, but I love my bonnets. If you guys know me, you guys know this already. But yeah, I love my bonnet, so I have two. But for some strange reason, I found myself, you know, wearing this one more. But yeah. But as I said to you guys, if I did my edges, I would have first tied it with this. Like, tie it with this. Tie around the edges. Just like that. And take it on it. It has a tag, so it's like and this is how I go to my bed. But if you're a rough sleeper and you want to put on two bonnets, baby girl, by all means do it. But with the tie around it, it helps to give it some kind of friction. Every time when I'm sleeping and I turn, the slightest chance that it will fall off, it is stuck on the tie that's on the front, because it serves as a barrier in some way, shape or form. So yeah, so this is it for tonight. I'm going to close this video for now, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna come with you guys and I'm gonna show you guys how I take down my hair. So yeah, this is it. Good night. I'm gonna take down all of these, take a bath, and relax in my bed, watch a movie, because I have to get up early for church tomorrow. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So it is the next day and I'm here to take down my hair with you guys. Today is Sunday. I will get to church, but I found the time. Okay, so yeah, the first thing I do, as usual, take off the bonnet, right? I usually put on my bonnet on top of my mirror thingy. So yeah. Okay, so just for the video's sake, I'm gonna put away this so I can show you guys one of the twists when I unravel it, right? Okay, so here is the first one. This is what I usually do. Unravel first, then separate them. Unravel, separate. It's way simpler to unravel than when you're actually doing the takedown. So yeah, I'm gonna just go shut up and finish taking down these. Just run your hands over them. I said I was gonna shut up. Anyways, if you guys made it this far into the video, I would love if you guys would subscribe, leave a comment on if you guys would try this, or what is your twist out nightly routine. Okay, so this is my hair with everything pulled out. It's not fluffed or anything like that. So as I said to you guys, if you guys did the edges in the night, then this wouldn't be a process for you. But if you didn't, then now you would have got in and tweak your edges a little bit. But I'm gonna go in with my hairpins to secure the sides like this. I usually, if it's this type of pin, I push it down. I push it down and then I bring it back up. And that is how I get to those type of pins, if they're not closed, to stay. So yeah. And now you're just gonna fluff Sometimes I shake. Right. As I said to you guys, I usually pin the bang just in case it think it can get up. Take your pick, fluff. I usually put into the root, bring up, put in, bring up. You know? But don't try to pull it through your entire hair. Let's talk about it. I have a whole part left. And this is my morning routine after my night routine. It's very simple. To be honest, this video took me 5 minutes to do, and that is without editing. So by the time I finish editing, yeah. But I want to tell you guys, this took me 5 minutes to take down my hair, fluff my hair, and all of that. 5 minutes. It's not going to take you any long time. And as you guys can see, all my curls are still intact, other than the ones that I did blow dry around the back, because I did blow dry it a little bit the first days to get her straight. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did learn anything, you know, definitely give me a thumbs up, share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.